So you may be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and add music to an Instagram post, basically on by using saved audio. Now, to do this, it's a little bit of a different process. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get that saved audio. We're going to create a story or a reel from that specific post, and we will essentially reshare that post as a post on Instagram. So to do this, what we want to do is we want to make our way over to our Instagram, application, swipe to the side, and what we're going to do is we can go ahead and make a sample post for the time being. So to do this, what we can do is we can go ahead and bring in the specific image that we wanted to post in the first place. So let's say I wanted to go and post this story, whatever, this photo on Instagram. Well, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and bring in that music toggle just like so. We want to go ahead and bring in the music specific filter by going down and clicking on the music filter. We want to click on saved audio right there. And we want to go ahead and bring in that audio, whatever that audio was. Now you'll be able to turn up your volume and you'll basically be able to turn up your volume and you'll basically be able to hear that song, that saved audio. You can also use a music thing if you want to instead. But instead of posting this to our story, we're going to click this little drop down and we're going to save this specific story out. So now what we can do is we can hop back out. We can go ahead and basically just swipe out of this. We can basically come back into this panel. We can go into post and now we can bring in that specific story thing that we just did into this. Now, realistically, when we go and click next, there should be a song playing in the background that you probably should be able to hear if you did it properly. As long as it's a video or whatever, you should be good to go. You can go and click next, and then you can go and click next again, and you should be able to post this specific post. Now, again, it will have to be saved as a video of some sort. So that's probably what you're going to have to do, but that's pretty much how you do it for the most part. There's third-party applications that can also help you do this too, but this is pretty much the easiest way to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.